From the smallest bolt to the largest chassis, Wheeled Coach Industries of Winter Park, Florida is managing it. The world's largest manufacturer of ambulances can custom build an unlimited number of configurations in 19 days. Since a single vehicle uses close to 3,000 different raw materials from inventory, how do they know which raw materials are needed? In what quantities? The answer? Materials Requirements Planning. Materials Requirements Planning, or MRP, helps managers control inventory needs where demand for raw materials is dependent on the finished goods to be produced. Once a vehicle is configured, the MRP system tells all the components that are dependent on that design. Wheeled Coach installed its MRP system in 1994 at a cost of hundreds of thousands of dollars. The software, called Mapix, runs on an IBM AS400 computer. Bob Collins, president, was instrumental in the system's installation.
The MRP system is crucial in Wheeled Coach gaining control of its inventory.
Let's take a closer look at the MRP process for one of Wheeled Coach's products, the Moduvan.
The first part of the process is when we quote the product to the customer. Being a custom manufacturer, obviously when we quote that customer, a bill of material needs to be created if we're going to cost it accurately. The bill of material, for instance, for our Moduvan product is the building block that really drives MRP. Each vehicle that's in our schedule contains a separate, specific bill of material for that product.
Once a customer has specified the features of a Moduvan, the MRP system gives managers feedback that helps in ordering and using just the right inventory items. The system is driven by Wheeled Coach's master schedule, a detailed plan that shows production commitments for the next 2 weeks. Materials Requirements Planning is the preferred way to schedule production and purchases when demand is dependent. Can you imagine the confusion Wheeled Coach's assembly process would experience without it? Now that would be an emergency.